Soto, we started Soto about 6 months back, and now we want to create awareness amongst the people of Goa. So, on this Sunday, we are having a marathon in awareness of organ donation. So, we are going to be, this is a first marathon that has got almost 950 participants, the biggest marathon, which includes participants like doctors, nurses, medical students, and people from social welfare, or 950. And the this theme here is to pledge for organs. So this is what we wanted to have this Sunday. It starts from Shama Prasad, and it has got three categories. One is 10 kilometers, for which I have how many registrations? 170 registration for 10 kilometer category. Then 5 kilometer category maximum, that is about 500, I think. 450, 500. And then we have 2 kilometers and 200. I have made all heads of department of Goa Medical College compulsory. They have to participate. No, for 2.5 kilometers they have to walk at least, and some of them are very senior, so you can't make them go for 10 kilometers. GMC.